Welcome to Brain Work Challenge. Ready to challenge your brain power? Dive into clever riddles designed to test your genius. Only the sharpest minds can solve these tricky puzzles. Prove you're a true genius. Can you crack them all? I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? What runs but never walks, has a mouth but never talks, has a bed but never sleeps. What gets wetter as it dries? What has many teeth, but can't bite? What can fill a room but takes up no space? If you drop me, I will crack, but if you smile at me, I will smile back. What am I? What belongs to you, but others use it more than you do? What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water. What am I? The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest man can't hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? I have keys but open no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter, but you can't go outside. What am I? What has hands but can't clap? What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? What has to be broken before you can use it? What has a heart that doesn't beat? I am not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? What goes up but never comes down? What has a head, a tail, is brown, and has no legs? I'm full of holes, but I can still hold a lot of water. What am I? What is always in front of you but can't be seen? What has one eye but can't see? What word is spelled wrong in every dictionary? What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? What five-letter word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? What runs around the whole yard without moving? Forward I am heavy, but backward I am not. What am I? I'm found in socks, scarves, and mittens, and often in the paws of playful kittens. What am I? What begins with an E but only has one letter? You can hold me in your hand, yet I can fill a room. What am I? What's bright but made of wood? I'm lighter than air, but 100 people cannot lift me. What am I? I have legs but can't walk, a strong back but can't work. What am I? What has a neck but no head? I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? What has words but never speaks? What can you catch but not throw? I'm an odd number. Take away a letter, and I become even. What number am I? What has a thumb and 4 fingers but isn't alive? What gets bigger the more you take away from it? What comes down but never goes up? What can be cracked, made, told, and played? What is always coming but never arrives? Congratulations on reaching the end. Did you crack all the riddles? Whether you nailed them or they left you stumped, your brain just got a serious workout. Keep challenging yourself, share these with friends, and see who's got the sharpest mind. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your favorite riddle, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new challenge. Let's keep the genius vibes going.